Hey guys, I had this, gonna make this project for my Kubota tractor. I'm gonna weld this nut as a pin for the arms on the back, the 3-point hitch on the back of the tractor. And I'm gonna already spot welded it right there, the nut, but I'm gonna go farther around here. And I'm gonna show you guys how I did this. So, I'm going to set that there, start my welder up. Alright, turn my welder on, turn my welder. Alright, a little foggy in here a little bit because I'm welding. I'm going to bury the glove, but put, let's see here, 3 spot welds on here. And this one didn't come out the greatest, but these other ones came out pretty good. This is going to hold that bolt, so when I put it on the end of the tube here, where's the tube at? Eventually, I'm going to weld this flat steel on the end of here, like that. I don't want this nut falling off because I'll have this capped on both ends. So I'm going to get this all welded on. I'll show you that I tap welded this on there.